If you're someone that uses one of these to cut your material, you'll definitely want to take a look at this video. Plasma cutters offer a faster and more precise cut over your standard cutting disc setup. It's also worth mentioning that they're more cost effective too, meaning you don't have to spend your hard-earned cash on replacement cutting discs. With a cutting range of up to 40mm and the latest machines coming with both gouging and CNC modes, Artec plasma cutters have been perfectly designed to suit any situation, with all of the machines capable of cutting steel and aluminium precisely. All of the plasmas in the Artec range offer a clean cut capacity. This removes the need for any tidying up of the edges once the cut has been completed. The P31 is capable of cutting up to 12mm, making it ideal for car bodywork and much more. Powered by your standard domestic socket, the P31 has no issue cutting through steel and aluminium, even when covered in dirt and rust. Our P51 machine easily cuts up to 24mm and comes with some extra bonus features. Not only can this machine be used with a handheld torch, but we've also made it possible to work on CNC tables too. This has made the machine incredibly versatile. The P51 comes with the much needed gouging function. This means you can remove old welds and prepare new material. Unlike other brands, all Artec plasma cutters come fitted with an air filter as standard. We also include everything in the box to get you going. All you need to do is attach your air hose and you're ready to start cutting. We've made sure that all of the components inside these machines are of the highest quality. This further increases reliability and increases duty cycle, something often overlooked by other brands. So if you're looking for a machine to cut thin bodywork or a machine to pair perfectly with your CNC table, Artec have you covered. So stop wasting time and money with cutting discs and start finishing jobs more quickly and precisely with an Artec plasma cutter. As always, if you have any questions regarding the plasma cutter or any of the machines in the Artec range, feel free to give us a call or visit our trade counter. We offer free demos on all of our machines, and details of how you can book these can be found over on our website.